How to reserve a storage unit on 6Storage. To reserve a unit from the admin software, click on the Leads menu. Click on Reservation menu. Click on Add Reservation. Here, select storage type, location, building, and unit size based on the customer's requirements. Click on Apply. Next, select the unit. Fill in the customer details such as name, email, contact information, and address details. Select the preferred move-in date from the calendar. If you would like to exempt the tax for your customer, you can tick the tax exemption checkbox and enter the tax exempt ID. Add lead source by selecting a lead source from the drop-down. You can always add new source categories from the bottom of the list. Select the mode of contact by ticking the checkbox. Select the reminder date from the calendar. Select the reservation status from the drop-down. Here comes the last step. You need to fully review the reservation price details and choose the payment method from the Select Payment drop-down. You can see 3 options are available. If tenants wish to pay through cash, select Cash and click Reserve. Your reservation will be completed, but in this case the tenants will have to visit the facility and make the payment yourself. Also, if tenants wish to pay by money order, enter the reference number and click Reserve to complete the process. Finally, if tenants choose credit card to pay, enter the credit card details in the dialog box and click on Proceed to pay. Well, now, you have successfully reserved a unit. Thank you. Have further questions? Feel free to reach out to our 24/7 chat support. Our team will be happy to address your queries.